What's up guys, it is Caleb Peters back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a nerf gun video guys for you. See, I got the nerf AR and yeah. Alright guys. Guess I'm gonna have a nerf battle. I'm gonna just, show you some shooting some nerf. So I'm gonna show you guys let me back. So guys, the perfect gun for this job is the AR for this. I have other nerf guns. But the perfect job for this shooting is going to be the AR. So it's just a little pre-shoot. So I'm sorry guys, I'm going to have to let you know. Me as Bone Collector Jr., I'm not going to be doing basketball videos anymore. I'm going to start doing nerf videos. Because it just changed my lifestyle, how I watch YouTube, how everybody, it just kind of video motivates me to do nerf. I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry my name is about basketball, but I'm going to just have to change it up a little. But if you disagree, you can dislike, you can disubscribe, you can stop watching the channel, but I'm still going to do what I'm going to do, and I'm not going to stop because you're going to stop liking or dislike the video or unsubscribe, put your notifications off. I don't care. I have other fans. I have other fans that subscribe to this channel. Alright. So you're not gonna be seeing my face. So just get ready to see a bullet. Alright, 3, 2. How do I do this? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's jammed. Crap, I hate when that happens. Right. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Guys, look at this. Whoa. Bro, one literally just sticked on it. That's crazy. This thing, this thing just sticked on my drawer. That's crazy. Also got the Star Wars bed, you know what I'm saying? Got that Star Wars bed. Enough of that. Alright, that was crazy though. So, yeah. Guys, that was super crazy. I'm picking up my darts. Super crazy. I believe there's still some in there. Let me check. Nope, no more. That was crazy. Always acts like this. But I can get it out now. Here we go. Alright. Put that 5 back in. I have a lot of darts. I can show you my darts. Let me show you my darts that I have. Let's see. Let's move all this stuff. Move all this stuff. I have darts. Rather, see my darts. I have so many of them. So many. I have more at my dad's house, but this is how many I have at my mom's house. So turn back to what we was doing. Guys, look what just came in the mail today. Look at this. I just opened this up before I did a video. Look. I got this. Let me see. Show you. Guys, I've got this. The light, we have to put batteries in. Look, these are Sky Agent goggles. So I can use these. And guess what? Look what I got. The bullets are in my closet, but I don't want to show them right now because I want to get through this video. So let's set it right here. Alright guys, so we're gonna put the the first 5 in again. Okay. I have 100 Nerf guns, guys. I have every single Nerf gun. No, I don't think I have. I have 100 Nerf guns. Really, I have 98, but it's about 100. Two more or less. Two away. They're 2 away from each other. 2 is like one of the first numbers. So you're on it. Alright. We're going to put it in. Let me show you how to put it in. Let's get right here. So I put it in like that. I guess you're gonna see it again. How my technique and my form. So I stand here while I do it. Wait, I'll record it. I'll record it. Alright. So I gotta find somewhere to put it. Let me see. Let me see, guys. Ooh, blinds. See? That's about it. Just leave my blinds like this. Guys, your eyes won't shine. Okay, guys. Your eyes won't shine. Let's just hold on. Right there. I'll be right back. Let's see what I can put this. Ugh. Oh. Alright guys, I got it. So you can watch me. So this is the form I use. Too close. Okay, I don't want to fall. It goes again. Alright, put this somewhere else. So this is my form. So first I put my hand on the trigger. Aim straight, and then that's how it's sticked on there. So you're gonna see, aim straight, bang. Guys, look at this. Look at my farm. Look. Look at how many. I've got 3 in a row stuck. That's crazy. It's really crazy, dude. Look at this, guys. I shot the darts. And then, like, that's how crazy my farm is, guys. So I hope you liked the video. Make sure you like the video. Comment below what was your comment below. What was your favorite color dart, or what was your favorite gun, or what was your favorite part of the video? And the title of this is gonna be how to shoot. Let me see. How to shoot. Yeah, the correct form. How to shoot nerf darts. Okay. Thank you for watching, and bye.